this video I'm going to show you how I made this banner that's behind me for my garden out of some old t-shirts we had laying around for free with no sewing. So come on and I'll show you how I did it. Here I made a pattern and kind of sketched out what I had in my mind, and then I cut out my first example. I wanted a pattern where I could just tie it together, and then get as much of the triangle as I could out of a t-shirt. So here I am cutting the top off, which will split it into two pieces. Kind of nice. These are probably youth small size shirts that I have here, smalls and mediums. I had 11, and instead of going to the thrift store with them, I decided to make something out of them because they were pretty personalized t-shirts that I didn't think would sell well. There, I'm pulling the sleeves up a little bit so they'll be out of the way for the cut. And I'm putting my pattern piece on here. You want to use the same piece as your pattern for all of them so that it doesn't get distorted over time. I'm going to go through this now, and then I'll have another quick run through before I show you the finished banner. The bigger shirts you can kind of cut the sleeve and the bottom at the same time, but this one was too small for that, so I'm going to use the scissors. That way it's in two different pieces, and then if you need to cut out some of the seam to make it easier to tie, I did that on a few, which is what I'm doing right there. Anyways, I hope you can make this for yourself, and I think it makes a great decoration. Hope you liked that video. If you find us on Instagram, tag us so we can see the banners you made. Thanks and have a great day.